$950 per week posting pre-made videos on YouTube. Do you like watching travel vlogs on YouTube? They're quite informational and fun to watch. But, would you like to make $950 a week by uploading travel vlogs on YouTube without needing to travel? Okay, let me explain. Some travel vloggers are looking for ordinary YouTube users from United States to upload content on their YouTube channels on their behalf. So, which means, you don't have to travel anywhere to make videos, the videos are pre-made. You just have to upload them on their YouTube channels. Job title: earn $950 per day posting videos on YouTube. Job description: your job here is just to upload the given content on the YouTube channels of these vloggers. The content will be provided to you by email, you just have to download it and upload it as it is. If you know how to upload videos on YouTube, then you're already qualified for this job. You just need to apply. Pay: $950 per week. Location: people from United States are preferred. Application deadline: midnight, November 16, 2021. Requirements: you just need an internet connection and a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Necessary experience: no previous experience is needed at all. If you know how to use YouTube, then you can apply for it. Today, we just need 6 ordinary YouTube users from United States. So apply now.